Dear student, today I will solve remaining question of exercise 2.3. Question number 3. A function f is defined by fx is equal to 2x minus 5. Write down value of first f0, second f7, third f minus 3. Solution of this question. So given fx is equal to 2x minus 5. Now first find f0. So this is fx is equal to 0. So f0 is equal to x. They are similar. X is equal to 0. So put here. So 2 into 0 minus 5 is equal to 0 minus 5 is equal to minus 5. This is answer. And second also fx is equal to 2x minus 5. So second f7. So put x is equal to 7 here. So 2 into 7 minus 5 is equal to 14 minus 5 is equal to 9. This is answer. And third part, given fx is equal to 2x minus 5. So f minus 3 is equal to 2 into minus 3 minus 5. So minus 6 minus 5 is equal to minus 11. This is answer. Question number 4. The function T for temperature which map temperature in degree Celsius into temperature in degree Fahrenheit is defined by Tc is equal to 9c upon 5 plus 32. Find first T0 and second T28, third T minus 10 and 4 the value of C when Tc is equal to 212. Solution of this question. Now given Tc is equal to 9c upon 5 plus 32. Now first part T0. So T0 c is equal to 0. Put here. So we get 9 into 0 upon 5 plus 32 is equal to, this is 0 plus 32 is equal to 32. So T0 is equal to 32. This is answer. And second part, so T28. T28 value of C is equal to 28. So C is equal to 28. Given equation Tc is equal to 9c upon 5 plus 32. So 9 into 28 upon 5 plus 32. So now we can solve 9, 8, 72 and 9, 2, 18, 7, 25 and plus 5 upon 5 plus 32. So 252 plus 5 to 10 and 5 3s are 15 plus 1 16 upon 5. So 2 plus 0, this is 0, 6 plus 5 11 and 2 plus 1 3 plus 1 4 upon 5 plus upon 5, and this is 2 plus 2, and 2 plus 0, this is 2. So t 28, and third part t minus 10, and given function tc is equal to 9c upon 5 plus 32 is equal to, so c is equal to minus 10, put here 9 into minus 10 upon 5 plus 32. So 5 2s are 10, or 9 to 18 minus 18 32 is equal to, this is 12 8 4 and 1, so this is 14 F. So this is F Fahrenheit and T minus 10 value. Fourth part, value of C given Tc is equal to 212 and Tc function is equal to 9c upon 5 plus 32. Now put here 212 is equal to 9c upon 5 plus 32. Now take an LCM, so 9c or now 212 minus 32 is equal to 9c upon 5. So Tc is equal to 212 given question, and function Tc is equal to 9c upon 5 plus 32. So Tc value put here, so 212 is equal to 9c upon 5 plus 32. Arrange this, so 212 and minus 32 is equal to 9c upon 5. So now subtract, so 2 0 and this is 11 8 and 1 is equal to 9c upon 5. Therefore C is equal to 180 multiply by 5 upon 9, 9 2s are 18, so this is 5 2s are 10, so C 100 degree centigrade. So value of C is equal to 100 degree Celsius. Question number 5, find the range of each of the following. First, fx is equal to 2 minus 3x, x belong to R, x greater than 0. So now solution of this question, given fx is equal to 2 minus 3x and x belong to R. So given x greater than 0, x greater than 0, so now make this form, this polynomial equation. So multiply by 3 both side, so this is 3 and 0 into 3 get 3x greater than 0, and subtracting both side, so we get minus 3x less than 0 makes, and 3x adding to both side, 2 minus 3x less than 0 plus 2. So this is fx less than 2 or y less than 2. Value of y less than 2. So range is equal to so this is 2 minus infinite. So this is range. And also second part, fx is equal to x square plus 2. X is a real number. Solution of this question. So now fx is equal to x square plus 2, x greater or equal to 0. Now x is real number given, so x greater than or equal to 0. So squaring both sides, or x square greater than 0. Squaring both sides, x square 0 square 0, and adding plus 2 both sides. So x square plus 2 greater or equal to 0 plus 2. So x square plus 2 greater or equal to 2. So this is x square plus 2 fx. So fx, so this is fx greater or equal to 2. So fx y, so greater than 2. So range is equal to y greater or equal to 2 infinite. Value of range 2 to infinite. This is answer. And second part, fx is equal to x. X is a real number. So fx is equal to y, let and y is equal to x. So this is range is equal to real number. So this is answer, and this is answer. That's all. Thank you.